Located in Austin, on the western slope of Shoal Creek, Pemberton Heights house is nestled amongst a beautiful copse of heritage live oak trees. Struck by the beauty of the surrounding natural environment, Sanders AIA and his team paid homage to the site through the material selection of the exterior, by utilizing brick and wood siding. The footprint and form of the building were even dictated by the location of the trees and the shape of their canopies. A light well penetrates from above the highest roof, gently lighting private spaces on the second floor, and washing light into the kitchen on the ground floor. To meet the wishes of the clients to be connected to the landscape, the windows are positioned so that the occupant can effortlessly embrace the natural light and treescape. Much like the ever-evolving nature that encompasses the home, the wood siding, a thermally stabilized ash product, will take on a patina and will gray and change over time and with exposure. Here's a look at the plan.